came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
What's up guys, welcome to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today is a very special day for us because we're going to pick up our first build, guys. We're going to pick up a Maserati 3300 GT from 2001, which has a lot of theft damage. Some thieves stole a lot of parts from it from the street. So we're very excited. The only down point is that we need to go to 3 countries to pick them up. We need to go to Belgium, France, and eventually we will end up in Spain to pick the car up. It's a long trip. It's about maybe 2,500 miles, around 4,000 kilometers to drive over there and get back. So I think there's nothing left to do than put that sucker on 10, get the trailer from the rental company and hit the road. Okay guys, so we drove for how long?
3 hours?
3 hours?
4 hours?
How many kilometers do you think we drove already?
300?
300 or something, yes. So she's empty, we need to fill her up. But somehow this pump is still not working. So I think we still need to go inside. Okay guys, so we finally figured out how this thing works here in Belgium. And it's now slowly working its way to fill up the tank. I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, we drove another 600 kilometers now. It's time to fill her up for the second time, then find a hotel, sleep for the night, and then tomorrow morning we will go on. So, time to fill her up. Okay guys, this is already our, I don't know, maybe 15th try to get some LPG, which is liquefied petrol gas. They didn't have any in all of France, so we continuously drove on petrol, which is quite expensive here in Europe. But finally we found one gas station which had GPL or LPG, and they are charging almost €1 per liter, and normally it's about 60 cents or so. But yes, we finally found it. Fill her up, put that sucker on 10, find our hotel, go to bed, because we drove for almost, I don't know, 13 hours or so. So tomorrow the last part, so we will see you at the hotel. Okay guys, we're finally at the hotel. So now it's time to go and walk to our room. So see you in a little bit. Wow, this is our room for tonight. Tiny bed, but it's also for a couple of hours. Haha. And nice toilet. Okay guys, that's it for today. We're going to get some rest now and see you guys in the morning. As you can see guys, the truck is still here, so we are ready to go. Okay guys, we made it safely to our hotel in the city center. There was a big storm on our way here. Storm Gloria, the biggest storm in Spain since 2007. So we are very lucky with that. We will get some rest now guys, and tomorrow morning we will pick up the Maserati.
Okay guys, here she is, the Maserati 3200 GT. We can't film for too long due to privacy reasons, but now we're going to try and get her on the trailer as soon as possible, and we're going to try to get out of rainy Spain.
Okay guys, so here she is, the beautiful but dusty Maserati 3200 GT. We got her loaded on the trailer and we are ready to get back home to Holland. It will be fun, they said, but we got the biggest storm since 2007. We will get a bite to eat now. Okay guys, so after driving for how long? 7 hours? 7 hours in the rain, in the snow, and almost everything. We finally made it here to France, to our B&B hotel. We just ate very nicely at the, what's it called?
B&B?
Buffalo Grill. I will show you guys the best view guys, so you can get a good night rest. Is that your truck and trailer are parked outside your own hotel room. Okay, good morning guys. So it's the next morning. We had a couple of hours of sleep
and we wake up to the best view in this morning. Is that it's still raining, but your truck is here and your project car is also still here. Okay guys, so the next thing on our list is get some French croissant as breakfast and then hit the road again, go back home. Okay guys, so after driving for 4 days straight, been to all kinds of storms, fog, rain, snow, everything, we finally made it home. I will go back to bed now because I'm dog tired, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so after a good night of rest, it's finally time to get the Maserati off. So please join me on this journey. Back in the garage. It's time to bring back the trailer and hope to see you guys in the next video.